Let's be honest, ordering food online is incredibly easy. But you know what's even easier? Watching your bank account drain while eating lukewarm, overpriced burgers. If you're still relying on takeout or instant ramen, it's time for a change. Today, I'm going to show you why starting to cook at home is the best decision you can make and how you can do it without losing your mind. Part 1. The why. Money, health, and flexing. First, let's talk about the why. Number 1. Your wallet will thank you. You'd be shocked at how much money you save when you stop paying for delivery fees and tips. Number 2. Your body will thank you. When you cook, you are the boss. You control the salt, the oil, and the quality of the ingredients. No hidden chemicals, just real food. And number 3, let's face it, knowing how to cook is a massive flex. There is nothing sexier than hosting a dinner or cooking a great meal for someone you care about. Part 2, the how. Keep it simple. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have the skills and I don't have fancy equipment. Look, lose the excuses. You don't need a 5-star kitchen. All you need to start is one sharp chef's knife, a decent pan, and a cutting board. And please, don't try to make a beef Wellington on your day 1. Start small. Learn how to scramble eggs perfectly. Master a simple pasta sauce. Once you get the basics down, cooking stops being a chore and actually becomes therapeutic. Cooking isn't about perfection, it's about practice and having fun with it. And that is exactly why I started this channel. I'm here to guide you through the recipes that look fancy but are secretly super easy to make. So, hit that subscribe button, grab a knife, and let's start cooking together. See you in the next recipe.